What's up guys, welcome back to another unboxing video, and for this unboxing video we have our Vicrez 2020 SRT Hellcat style rear bumper, and this is for the Dodge Charger fitting 2015 to 2023 models. Now let's go ahead and open this up and we can show you what it looks like. Now this bumper is just two pieces, this rear bumper as well as the rear diffuser to go with it. So just keep that in mind. So it doesn't come with the exhaust bezels or anything, but you can order those separately. And I'm sure we'll have those linked down below in the description if you want to check everything out and see what the prices for everything is. Now, here we have our rear bumper. And this is VZ102197 if you want to go check it out on the Vicrez website, by the way. And as you guys can see here, it doesn't have the diffuser installed, but we do ship it with it whenever you guys order it. And as you guys can see on this top edge, all the way around, this is where the rear diffuser will snap into place with like most other rear diffusers on most vehicles. And then on the bottom here as well, you can also choose to bolt it in as well as bolt it into the car itself. Now, for the rear diffuser, you can order this separately as well if you already have our rear bumper and want the rear diffuser. This is VZ102197 if you want to go check it out on the Vicrez website. Now let's get this open. Now this is our just regular matte rear diffuser, so it will match the rear bumper. Now, for install, you'll simply just line it up like so, and then each one of these tabs located along the top edge here on the rear diffuser will snap into these aligned spots here. And that's pretty much it for install besides bolting the bottom on. As you guys can see here, the holes will line up like so on the bottom, and you can bolt it in place or use rivets or however you would like to install it. Now I can simply just mock it, fit it up for you guys so you can see what it looks like. Now I'm not gonna fully snap it into place, but this is what it would look like. Now, we do have an install video up on the Vicrez YouTube channel if you want to go check it out. We also do have the exhaust bezels here. I'll show you guys, but they do not come with this kit, but I'll just show you. And for install, it's basically the same as the rear diffuser. They do snap into place as well. But as I was saying, we do have an install video up on the Vicrez YouTube channel if you want to go check it out. If you want to see more videos like this, consider subscribing to the YouTube channel. And if you're already subscribed and want to see more videos like this, make sure to hit that notification bell to get notified when we post more videos. Peace.